Hello YouTube. Hey guys, today I wanted to show you one of the cool features of the 2022 BMW X3 LCI, and I'm talking about ambient lighting. So I just bought a new 2022 X3 M40i, and one of the features that I like the most about in this car is it's really cool ambient lighting. As you can see right now, it is blue in color. It's on the doors on both sides. It's in the front the front panel. Underneath there's a row of light, and I'm going to show you the different colors that come with the car. Let me navigate you to the right settings. So you need to go to car, then settings, then interior lighting, and there you go into colors. So you can choose from all these different colors. Good combination of colors. I honestly, my personal choice, I don't like the whites with the color, but I'll show you how it looks. So this is orange and white. You can choose a combination of two colors, or you can just choose one color, like just orange. So that's just orange. You have bronze, which is kind of like similar to orange. Everything white, that's everything white. You see that pinkish shade because the upholstery on the door is red, wine red, or in BMW's terms Tacora red. You already saw blue, and you can see now green. Green is also cool, and I think the best one, my personal favorite, is lilac. It's kind of purplish pink and gives the car really elegant look in the night. So these are the different colors you can choose from. You can also choose the brightness. So I've set it to maximum. You can obviously go down in the brightness. As you can see, it's going down, so you can go up and down, whatever works best for you. For me, it is maximum brightness works best. And then you have dynamic light and dimmed for night driving. Before I sign off from the video, I wanted to show you once again, so you can find these lights on the door just above the trim and below the trim. This is the handle and the memory settings. So there is a whole streak of LEDs here. There's a couple of LEDs on that door, and there is one LED on the front panel here underneath, so it gives a good ambient light. There's also lighting in the foot area, where your foot rests, for both the driver and the passenger. You can see there. I'm not sure if you can see there or not. And then there is lights right above your head, the same color. It's kind of reflected on the center panel here, so you can see the center panel is glowing in purplish pink or lilac, as they say. And then you have light to the back as well, on the back doors. Same pattern, two streaks of light, and it just gives that premium look and luxury look to your car. So I do know that this is what it comes in X3. This is what comes in X3 X-Drive, as well as the M versions, M40i and M. There is no extended ambient light package in X3, but there is an extended ambient light package in X5, where they also give you LEDs running on both sides of the center panel here, center console. On both sides you will see LED streaks, and then there is more LED on the front panel as well. You will see lights in X5 underneath this vent, AC vent. So obviously it's a more expensive car, it's a bigger car, so there's more lighting there. But I think this is quite good for a compact SUV. It's quite good and luxurious. Okay, thank you guys. Let me know how you feel about the video, and if you want me to cover anything else about This 2022 X3 M40i. It's a beautiful car. Let me know via comments if you want me to cover any other feature of this car, and I'll be happy to post a video. Thank you, and do hit the subscribe button. I'll be posting more videos. Do look out for more videos. Thank you.